Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. As previously I talked about MIDI string in my previous video, and serially I'm coming with my new videos on the MIDI string, and today I'm going to show you Qbasic program. Qbasic program on the MIDI string to display something output, and the what output I'm going to display and what output I'm going to make in this video. I'm going to show you, and how we can write that program and how we can understand that program. I'm going to talk about it in this video. So I'm going to show you the output what I'm going to execute in this Qbasic program will be look like this. Okay, so here you can see in the first row KATHMANDU, and in the second ATHMAND, and in the third THMAN, and similarly SMAN. It means in every step letters of the string are decreasing, and that is also decreasing from both sides, from the left side and right side, and at the end we can see only one letter. So every time letters are decreasing from both sides, also in the same time the space are also increasing. Okay, so what we need to understand is this is the starting line, and this starting line is making space for the every step of the output. So we need to make a space in every time, and I'm going to write the Qbasic program based on the MIDI string for this output. So how we can write and what are the each and every execution of the Qbasic, I'm going to talk about it. So I hope you will understand after that why MIDI string is not a middle string, and what we can do on it. Which I'm going to write a simple Qbasic program without using function method or sub method, so it will be easy to understand you. We need to write a CLS, and then I'm going to use the old KATHMANDU Kathmandu in a variable, or maybe that is a string constant. So I'm going to use old string, and I'm going to store all that letter KATHMANDU. After that I'm going to check it about it, KATHMANDU. okay, it is fine, and then we need space, and that I'm going to store in a T. But before that I'm going to show you first in the first simple program. So after that what I'm going to do is the length of the string I'm going to store in R. Okay, so R equals to len old string. Then I'm going to use a for loop, so that's why I need to end before after all that execution, and I'm going to use for I equals to 1 to R, and then why I'm using 1 to R is I need to display all that data, and then next equals next I, and then here I'm going to write the printing or displaying output in the Qbasic programming method print, and then I'm going to write MIDI string. And as a previously video I had talked about the MIDI string function, what are the argument will be used in the MIDI string. It takes first argument as a data, and in the second we can use loop. Anything else we can use also, but to display the output as we require, we need to use a loop. And then in the third I'm going to display some data, and that data will be look like this. Data will be displayed as a one character, and what will happen I'll talk about it, and then after that I'm going to make that video make that output similarly as a displayed. Here you can see, okay, look at here, KATHMANDU, the string is a string of the character of the string are displayed in the vertical format, and every character is displayed in a single row, and then every row is covered by every single letter. And why it is happening is we are not using semicolon in the print command, and Also we are not using the left string or right string. But after that, why only one letter is displaying is I'm going to talk about it. So here you can see we are using print statement. Print statement will print the output, and then mid string is taking a data from the program, and word string we do have Kathmandu letter, sorry, word Kathmandu, and word Kathmandu comes here, and then I is loop. And previously I talked about it. Loop is a pretending format of the output, so I will be executed for the code string to display format. It means how many times we need data to display. Okay, so I is at the first one, and then after that in the second execution it will be 2, and in the third execution it will be 3, and similarly it will go to the last. And then one in the last I have written 1, and then it means what is the definition of 1 is the data will display from the I, from the one character. It means if in the first, if I am displaying this data, then the I will be first in the first statement. It means here you can see I equal to 1, and it means 1 here comes here, and in the 1 what is the data stored in the code string will be displayed. It means in the first we can see key, and then there from that only one character. It means from the key to one character is only one, or only key will be happen, and then so the key will be displayed. And then in the second you can see similarly 2 will be I will be 2, and then no, 2 comes here, and 2 means second, and then from second one character of the word string. Okay, so one character of the word string means a to one character means a will be displayed. Similarly we can calculate all that. So by this we can see the output like this, and if you can change one from here to using 2, 3, or maybe something else, you can find out the output, and then wow, how mid string is working you can understand. But we need the output like this format, so our output is not like this, and we need this output like a triangle. So I'm going to make like that. So after that what I'm going to do is, now I need to calculate that. Here you can see every row means every one looping. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have five loop or 5 step, means 5 times the data will be loop or iterate in this program. It means we need to write here the looping length, and we have now, if we print this, the output will be R, the output of R will be 9, but we need to display the output, or we need to use loop for 5 times only. So what I'm going to do is R equals to okay, loop equals to, not I'm going to use loop, okay, what, LR. Okay, I'm going to use a LR equals to R plus 1 and divided by 2. Why I'm doing this? Because output should be in a numeric format, and that should be in integer. Integer means no decimal number, and the loop should be greater 1. So that's why I'm going to use R plus 1 is here. You can see if we print it this, it will give us KATHMANDU as a 9 character, and then 9 plus 1 will be 10, and then after that 2, if we use divided by 2 will be the LR will be 5. So if we use here LR, it will loop for the 5 times, and after that we can see the output. Here you can see the output, and but not only this, we need the output something different. So here you can see we can see 5 times this is making loop on the programming, and in this program now we need to display the output. So here not only one character, every time all characters should be printed. So that's why I'm going to use something that what we need is R. So if I use R, then every time output will be displayed from the character iteration character to the end. It means in the first you can see here 1 to 9, then all the character are printing, and then in the second 2 to 9 and all the character is similarly printing, and then after that 3 to 9 the character is printing there, and then after that what we need is we need a space here. We need a space here, so I'm going to make a space for it. Space is provided by Qbasic. In the Qbasic is a tab. We need to define either number or some variable which can store the numeric data. So that's why I'm going to use a t as a tab, and the value of t I'm going to write here equals to 1 only, and then I'm going to display. No, I'm not going to display right now, and it only this will only print one space. It means no space will be printed in the first, but every time in the here, and I need space for space every time, and that space is every time added by every time it will added by the +1. Here you can see no space here, and 1 space plus 1 space plus 1 something like that. I'm going to use t equals to t plus 1. It means in the first initially the t will be 1, and then after that t equals to t plus 1, and then plus 1 and continuously. I'm going to again run the program. Okay, now you can see on the screen the output is a little similar to the similar to our required output. Here you can see the space, and also space is displaying here, and the space are similar to the proper output, but our output is not totally like the original output. So we need to remove the data from the right side, or string or character from the right side. So how can we do it? I'm going to show you. But in the left side you can see the character are decreasing. So how this character is decreasing also I'm going to show you, and I'm going to describe about it. Here you can see the print command is commanding to the mid string by odd string will be display from the I. Okay, odd string will display from the I means in the first I will be 1, in the second I will be 2, and then third will be 3. Then from there the output will be start, and then the data will be displayed continuously until the R will be not completed. So it means R is right now we have 9, and every time the R is going to the 9 character, and then if we do have only 5 character, it will continually go to the 9 character, but the starting point will be I. Every time I will be updated. In the first one I equal to 1, and in the second I equal to 2, and similarly in the 5 step I will be 5. Now we need to remove the character from the left side, and already I talked about it. The character is displaying till the last by using the R. So we need to manage the R, and then the output will be look like this. Okay, so here you can see the 9 character is printing here, and 1 character is decreasing here, and then similarly one character continually character is displaying here. So every time what is happening here, the 2 character are decreasing from the decreasing. It means 1 character is from here and 1 character from is here. So every time 1 character is decreasing, it 2 character is decreasing from both sides totally. So we need to calculate them, and we need to display them. So first of all I'm going to use here R equals to R minus 1. So why I'm using R minus 1 means I'm going to show you here. Now you can see here R minus 1. Every time R equal to R minus 1, it means the R equals to 9 minus 1 will be 8. In the second here you can see I equal to 2, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 character also will be printed. I'm not telling that, R is telling that the character from the I to R will be printed. It means in the second character will be display till the 8 character, but we need this U should be removed from here. So it means we need to check it out here using the not only 1 character. So that's why I'm going to use two character. Then after that I'm going to show you what is the output will come here. And then here you can see in the first the output is properly displayed in the screen by total length from the 1. It means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In the second you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 7 character is printing here. And how is this happening, and what is the calculation of it, I'm going to talk about it now. Here you can see the 9 is the first initial value, and then r is removed by 2 or decreased by 2, means 9 minus 2 will be 7. Then from the 7 1 I equals to a, and from here 7 character only will be displayed, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And after that again r is initially was 9, and then after that decreasing by 2 is coming updated by 7. Similarly that 7 will also updated by minus 2 in the third step. So here you can see 1 in the third from the I to 5 times, means 1 2 3 4 5, and again 5 will decrease by 2, 1 2 3, means 5 minus 2 will be 3 also. Here you can see, and in the last or in the 5 step 3 minus 2 will be 1, and then in the 5 step from the 5 to 1, means 5 character to 1 character, means only 1. This is so like this we can calculate, we can write the output, we can make output of the Qbasic program using the MIDI string function, and we don't need to confuse about it. And I think now you are understanding what is MIDI string, and like this we can make output for the MIDI string function for such a triangle from the starting to end. And after that you can learn everything else about the MIDI string. Thank you for watching my video, and I think you are understanding it. And I'm also going to I'm also going to make a video on the MIDI string function in the upcoming days. And then if you have any question about MIDI string function, you can give a comment on the comment section, and I'll try to make the answer for that. And also if you like my video, then you can subscribe, you can like my videos, and then also you can subscribe my channel. And if you are thinking to learn different other program, then you can ask me, and then I'll make a video for you. And how's my video, please you can comment me for the me on the comment section, and then it will be easy to understand you, and it will be helpful for me to make a new videos for you.